Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Heather and this is Create Your Own Cozy. On today's video, I am taking you on a little tiny estate sale haul that was completely free. If you want to see what I grabbed, where a portion of the proceeds are going to go to, some pictures of Brett and Hadley's trip to Alaska, they are back. Stick around. Good morning, friends. I got a call from my mother-in-law yesterday. Someone in her Sunday school class is having an invite-only estate sale. I'm just gonna call it grab because everything is free. She sent me some photos. I may have said, oh my goodness, grab this right now. But we are heading over there with an empty Lincoln Navigator, seeing what we can fit. Stay tuned. One of the very first things I had my eye on was this hutch with the porcelain knobs. I got the hutch on the right from Facebook Marketplace. It's Ethan Allen and had upcycled it with DIY paint and IOD paint inlays, and I was thinking I could do the same to this new hutch. It is a little bit grander than my other one, so my thought is let me refinish this in a way where I would put it in my house. I'm going to take off these little rails and I am going to try and cover up where the wine glasses would be hung, but I thought this would be gorgeous and I would keep whatever one I want to keep and then sell the other one in my booth. Thought that this would be a great idea. And then the little dry sink is actually Ethan Allen, and it has definitely been used. There are a lot of nicks from people obviously like using their stuff. They definitely, Miss Phyllis seemed like she really did host her people, and I am really excited about these furniture pieces and would love any suggestions y'all have for upcycling them. Next, look at this. Mr. Russ said that this was a mold of some sort. He used to have it on the wall of his workplace, and I just thought it was super cool from the city of Atlanta and had to bring that home. Next, there are over 12 of these golden candlesticks. I can just imagine the parties that Miss Phyllis had. Guys, wait till you see all the stuff. So I grabbed some stuff that could possibly be upcycled too. I have a friend that loves squirrels, and he basically said if I don't take it, he's having someone just take it all away. So I wanted to help him. There were 3 of these plates that say Japan on the back, 1 platter that says it was made in occupied Japan, and then 3 of these Willowware plates. And then look how cute this teapot is. The little basin comes out, and she got it from TJ Maxx for $49.99, but it's from England, and I just thought it was cool. Look at it, guys. Now, I grabbed all the blue and white stuff because I know that sells really well for me. Oh, look at this creamer. So precious. And then I grabbed some Christmas stuff too. Thought these would be great around Christmas time, and some bottle brush trees for upcycling. These little teacups. I mean, how cute are these? She just loved collecting, and it just gave her joy to shop for these things, he said. So let's talk about this vintage Harmony House Wembley china set that she got from Sears. Miss Phyllis worked there a number of years, and Mr. Russ said she loved grabbing sets from there. Guys, she has 36 teacups, 22 saucers, 4 creamers, 2 sugar containers, 4 serving bowls. Look how beautiful. Piper is kind of in love with this particular set. We have 2 gravy boats. We have 15 dinner plates, 12 salad plates, 13 bowls, 15 bread and butter plates, 24 berry plates. I mean, guys, can you imagine the parties? I'm talking 36 teacups. What kind of tea parties is Miss Phyllis throwing? And then we've got 2 small, 1 medium, 1 large platter. Look at this table setting. I just think it is gorgeous. Now, Russ and Phyllis had 2 sons, and neither one of them wanted this gorgeous girly china. Just wanted to let you know that they had the option to grab it before we did. So I am not a little mouse collector, but Miss Phyllis certainly was, and I figured somebody needed to appreciate this little tiny mouse collection. Hadley has already earmarked some of them for her little dollhouse because she loves everything little and tiny. Look how cute. Someone is going to love this. So this is the first thing I saw when my mother-in-law sent me pictures. This is a cute little footed tray. Guys, we have been watching Downton Abbey, and I could see Carson totally grabbing this and bringing this to the family. Look at it. I mean, it's this little sit on top of the heat right here. You know, I've been painting these things, but this guy needs to stay as is. I need to do some research to figure out all of this stuff, but This thing needs to stay in its natural space. It is gorgeous, it is heavy, and I just know somebody is gonna love it. I need to keep it all together. I want it in my house, but there's really no space for it. What do you guys think? I would love for you guys to educate me on what to do next with this particular set. And then one other thing, we're gonna keep this for ourselves. Look at this bow. It reminds me of the new bows from the IOD release, the mold, but you hang fabric on it. At first I was thinking I was gonna paint it and distress it back. Then I was thinking to put some stripper on it and get it down to the raw wood. I love it. All right, guys, this is so much yummy stuff, and I still haven't even wrapped my head around how I'm going to do this. So I'm about to head out of town, have some much needed rest and relaxation with my immediate family, with Brett's parents, and with Brett's sister's family. We only get to see them every 3 years when they're on furlough. They were in Alaska for 14 years and now they're up in Washington State. So we get to see them every 3 years, and I love seeing our kids be together. It's like they didn't miss a beat. So we are gonna go do that, and when I come home, I'm gonna decide what to do with this. Do I have a whatnot sale? Do I list it on my website? Do I put it in my booth? Do I do a little bit of all of those things? Let me know in the comments below what you guys would do. I know I'm going to refinish this furniture, but obviously to get to that, I've got to move through all this stuff. Let me know if you guys are interested in anything that I've shown you here. Please let me know in the comments below, and I can kind of set that aside and kind of sort it out into the different avenues that I want to sell this stuff. Again, a portion of the proceeds are going to go to the McCullough family. I'm very excited to say that. This is the McCullough family. That's Brett's sister Heather in the middle, her husband Travis, and their 3 gorgeous kids. They train mission-minded pilots and mechanics to further the gospel in hard-to-reach places around the world. Or just donating to them themselves. That link will be in the description. They raise 100% of their salary from people like you and I that just want to support their mission. And they are home, well, to where Heather and Travis grew up. They are home raising that support on their furlough, and we're excited to be able to spend some time with them. So if you need to know any more information, please shoot me a message. I would love to point you to them or talk to you more about it. Guys, I am so thankful you are here. Brett and Hadley were in Alaska. Sonnet and Kristen came into town, stayed with me while we did the Haven conference with the local gals, Donna and Laura. I have been around a lot of people. I have had a lot of information. I'm calling it a fire hydrant of information. We'd be in a class 50 minutes at a time, get everything we needed to know about that, take a break, and then do it again. So I am going to spend this next week churning the stuff that came at me, figuring out how I want to apply it to my business and redirect the focus that I want to spend time on so that I make sure that I'm doing things at Create Your Own Cozy on purpose. So I am super thankful that you are here. Lots of stuff to come. I'm thankful for you. I'm gonna take next week off, guys. I feel like such a big girl for saying that, but I need a week off, and I know that you guys love me and you will be here when I get back. If you want to support me during this time, I have a website, createyourowncozy.com, where I sell the paint and products that I usually use in my DIY videos, and you can just watch one of my older videos. In fact, go way back if you haven't seen those and give yourself a little bit of laugh. Oh my goodness, I'm a mess. Anyway, I hope that you guys are doing well, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Hi to his daddy.
Hey, hello. Hello. How did you do? Come here.
Look who else we brought! Look who else! Look who else! Where have you been? Why did you leave me? Where did you go? I'm smelling all your stuff.
She was in Alaska. Hey, she was in Alaska. Oh.
Oh. What do you think, bud?